Steps to open a store on Amazon. Sign up for Seller Central. Create an account. Visit the Amazon Seller Central website and follow the instructions to create an account. Choose a plan. Amazon offers two main: individual for occasional sellers and professional for large-scale sellers. Fill out your business information. Personal information. Provide your name, address, phone number, and other contact information. Tax information. Provide your tax identification number and bank details to receive payments. Identity verification. Required documents. Amazon will request verification of your identity through documents such as a government-issued ID and bank statement. Create a product catalog. Detailed description. For each product, provide a clear title, detailed description, high-quality images, and technical specifications. Categorization. Classify your products into the appropriate Amazon categories so that customers can easily find them. Set up shipping and fulfillment. Shipping method. Decide whether you'll ship products yourself FBM or use fulfillment by Amazon FBA to have Amazon handle storage and shipping. Shipping rates. Set shipping prices for your products or use Amazon's shipping rates. If you opt for FBA, optimize your listings. Keywords. Use relevant keywords to help your products appear in Amazon search results. High-quality images. Attractive images are key to catching customers' attention. Manage your inventory. Tracking. Keep an accurate record of your inventory to avoid stockouts. Replenish. Replenish your products as they sell. Provide excellent customer service. Quick responses. Respond to customer questions and queries in a timely manner. Efficient resolutions. Handle returns and issues professionally. Additional tips. Product research. Before you get started, research what products are in demand on Amazon and how your competition is performing. Marketing. Use marketing tools to promote your products and increase sales. Data analysis. Use Amazon's analytics tools to understand your customers' behavior and optimize your strategies. Helpful resources. Seller Central, the main platform for managing your Amazon store. Amazon Help. Detailed documentation and guides on all of Seller Central's features. Forums and communities. Online communities where you can ask questions and get advice from other Amazon sellers. Remember, selling on Amazon requires dedication and constant effort. Stay up to date with Amazon policies and market trends to be successful. Do you have any specific questions about opening your Amazon store? I'd be happy to help. Topics we might explore: how to choose the right products to sell on Amazon, strategies to optimize your listings and increase sales, show to use Amazon marketing tool, show to handle returns and customer issues. Feel free to ask.
Okay.